All right, Sylvia here, and I am taking a walk at Point St. George today. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a blustery day, and this is one of my most favorite places to come in the Crescent City area. Well, let's see, fork in the road. This way or this way? This looks like it goes out to the cliff, so let's take this way. So this coastline is very diverse. It seems every time I come up here, it's different. The weather's different. There's different plants, there's different birds. It's really beautiful. Following a seagull. Sometimes the paths are kind of deep in the foliage, but it's quite clear. It's like really deep in here. Oh my God, this is hilarious. I don't think I've ever done this this particular path before. It's up on the cliff, and it is really deep. right, so Point St. George is in the shadow of the airport. I think you can see the windsock blowing. There are 2 flights that come into the Crescent City airport every day. They're Contour Airlines, and neither plane is very big. And there's a beautiful beach here. You can see some surfers and paddle boarders. Oh yeah, here's a paddle boarder. Just missed a wave. And that's Pebble Beach Drive in the distance. Lots of sea stacks. And then the island directly in front of me is Castle Rock, and it's a very important birding area. Lots of birds that are found here, maybe a couple other places. It's one of the most important birding areas for the western United States. And it's hard to tell now. You really need a bigger scope or stronger lens to see how many birds there are, but there's probably about 100,000 birds that are nesting and resting there at any given time. Yeah, Castle Rock, very special. And this has just been a sensational day, gorgeous walk, and I'm gonna start to head back to the trailhead. So I am finishing up my walk here at Point St. George today. It's been just so beautiful, and I highly recommend this walk to anybody. It doesn't require any special equipment. I'm wearing like little slip-on backless shoes. You don't need, hiking poles. It doesn't require any special abilities. There's a lot of different trails to choose from, and if you just stick to the ones that are more widely traveled, like this one here, it's very safe and very easy and beautiful. Every time I come, there's different flowers, different birds, different colors, and I highly recommend it. So all right, you guys, thanks for watching.